Hi traders, this is Omar. In this video we're going to have a brief look at the current profit that's sitting on the table using Aussie Rob's Lifestyle Trader. We're going to look at the Forex pairs, and we've got the spreadsheet open as well just to see how much profit there actually is on the table. Okay, so starting with the US yen, with this short signal here, clear short signal, you'll see that the entry on this is 101.82 and the current close price is 99.185. Oh, sorry, 815. So if we have a look, let's put it into our spreadsheet. Excuse me, going short, our entry was 101.82, and our exit, well, sorry, the current price was 99.8150. And you can see there, very good return so far, and plenty of profit. Euro USD is the next. Okay, if we have a look, now this, you can see how the first cross, the angles were not correct, so we needed to wait for confirmation. The open price after the confirmation is 1.4430, and you can see the current price there, 136.05. So we're going short again. That entry was 14430, and the current close 36.05. And you can see again, very decent profit. Very large return. Next is the pound US. Again, the angles were not quite correct when it crossed, so we'd wait for confirmation, and then the open for this is 180.72, and you can see the current price is 170.98. Okay, going short again, entry was 180.72, and the current price on that was 170.98. And again, quite a large, substantial amount of profit, very high returns on that trade there as well. US Canadian, pretty simple to see which way this one's going. Now, technically you could consider the cross. We'll wait for a day to give confirmation. So our entry on this one is 1.0645, and the current price now closing is 1.1501. Let's put that into the spreadsheet for a long trade. 1.0645, and current price was 1.1501, and quite a large percent, you can see their return, very good profits. Next is the US Swiss. So US Swiss, excuse me, you can see that the angles were not quite correct here, so we'd wait for confirmation. Still going, so our entry in this case would be 1.0887, and the current price would have been, the last close, 1.1291. So another long trade on this one, 1.0887 and 1.1291, I believe it was. Excuse me. And good profits on that trade also. Next is Euro Swiss. So let's have a look at the Euro Swiss. Short, easily to tell short signal on this one. Entry 1.571. And current is 1.536. So, going short on the Euro Swiss, entry was 1.5710, and the current was 1.5360. And again, not as high as the other ones, but still very good profit. AUD USD. The Aussie dollar has dropped substantially, and the original trade angles were not quite correct, so you would have had to wait for confirmation. Had you waited for the confirmation and entered, your entry price would have been at 82.8274, sorry, and your current price now is 0.6841, and it has dropped substantially. So let's go for a short. Excuse me. So the entry was 0.8274, and the current price was 0.6841. And the profits on that trade are quite tremendous, as you see, had you entered according to the signals. Euro Pound is next. Now we have a long trade just occurred recently. The entry to this would have been 0.7890, currently trading at 7958. Let's put that into the trade sheet. So that's a long for 0.7890. And 0.7958 was the current price, and only for a short amount of time. The trade's very profitable so far. Next is the Euro Yen. Very clear to see short signal clearly defined going down. Entry price on this is 150.120. Next day is opening after the cross, and you can see the current price is 135.79. That was the last close price. So this is a short. Excuse me. Entry was 150.120, and the current price there was 135.75 according to the last close. Oops. Now, substantial profits on that one as well. Very high returns, as you can see. Last pair is the pound yen. Let's have a look. It was a short signal also, and the open in this case was 188.04. Okay, and the close is 170.64 currently. Okay, so 170.64. Oops, doing it the wrong way. This was a short, and the entry was 188.04. Okay, and you can see quite substantial profits on this one as well. Now, if I scroll down the page a little bit to see the total accumulation, had you been in all of these trades with your full contracts, the profits are quite substantial. There is well over 75,000 in profit on these trades alone, and on your margin that is quite a substantial increase, as you can see. So that's the Forex presently with the current markets using Aussie Rob's Lifestyle Trader.